I'm gonna open the purple one first. Go open it. It's hard.
Where did you get that from?
From Buy Below!
How many did you get? How many LOLs?
Two. I got two. Where do we open from? Yeah. It's, help me, everybody.
Help you? Opening. Okay. I told you need help with this.
It's too funny.
There you go.
I think I can open it now. Yeah, Titi Lolo. My name is Titi Lolo. Yeah, help me. Slice. Oh, it's almost. I'm slicing it. Slice. Help me.
Okay.
In the garbage.
Let me open it. Don't move. You stay right there.
Yay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Let me put this right here. The video. Now, I'm opening it. I'm helping you.
Yay.
Okay. There you go.
Let me see it. Ooh. LOL tattoo. Yay. Did you know I put a tattoo on me before? Help me.
Yeah. Let's put the video
And
here.
everybody, you can have the ring. It comes with a ring. You see?
Mm.
Somewhere inside.
There you go.
And there's this.
So you show us what you have there.
Okay. There's 4 ponytails, and there's a ring for you guys.
Show us the ring. How it looks like. Wow, very cute.
And I don't
LOL ring. Okay, what else is in there in the pack? Nice. Wow, LOL ring. Okay. What else do you have there?
Oh, it's a tattoo. Did you know? I'm gonna put it on later.
Show us the paper tattoo. Show us what? Wow.
And everybody, you know how to put on a tattoo, Mommy?
Yeah. You.
I want to put it on, everybody.
Okay. Tell us how you do the tattoo.
Oh, first, you open this wrapper, right? Okay.
But we'll do it later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to do it now.
Can you show it again? No, we'll do it with Daddy. Right there. LOL tattoo. Okay, what else do you have there?
Oh, it's just some ponytails now.
Okay. All right, you want to open the next one?
No, you forgot this. I want to open this, everybody.
So these are just LOL accessories.
Oh, is this LOL hair stuff?
So the small ones are just accessories, not dolls.
No.
Okay.
Help me,
Let me help
everybody.
you. What is this now? What accessory is this?
I don't know. I'm just going to open it now. What's this?
Wow, LOL necklace.
Let me try to wear it. It's too big. It's too small.
Here, let me help you.
No. Let me try to. I think you gotta take off your pony. You gotta take off your hair. Nub it up.
It's still not gonna fit. Let me see. Come here. Okay. It's...
What does this mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, like that. Okay, we have to do it the other way.
Okay.
Like this. You got LOL necklace. You wear it in school, okay?
Okay. And then go wear this ring.
Wow! Beautiful LOL necklace.
And I can wear this. And I can wear a ribbon with a pony. And then I might wear a
How about
ribbon.
open the other one now?
Okay. I'll open the wrapper, everybody. Help me.
Show us what you have there. You cover.
No, where I
Don't forget
got.
to cover. Oh, don't.
Door, I gotta open.
Okay. Oh, you open. There you go.
Oh, it's the thing too.
What do you have there?
Okay. Let me try to open it. Help
Here.
me.
Help you. Good. Help you.
Yeah. I'm gonna jump out everything. Yeah. Oh, it's
Okay.
the same
Show
thing.
us what you have.
It's the same tattoo I have last time. Do you remember the video? I had the same tattoo. Remember everybody?
Yeah, I
And we
remember.
did that last time, everybody.
Okay, show us the ring. Wow, you got 2 LOL rings now. Wow. Can you show us, please? Okay. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful LOL rings. What else do you have?
And the ponytail, and that's all.
Ponytail.
There.
Wow. And the tattoo. This is the LOL tattoo. LOL ponytails.
And I got 2 rings.
There you go. The 2 rings. I really like your necklace. Can you show it to us again? Beautiful. Okay. Till next time.
And look at my ring again.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Goodbye, ring.